Welcome to the Gut and Obesity in Asia Position Statement Work Group. The vision of this work group would be to be the research platform of choice for obesity and gastrointestinal diseases in the Asia Pacific, and the aims are to establish a consortium to study relationships between obesity and the gastrointestinal system in the Asia Pacific countries, as well as to provide training and guide future research for junior gastroenterologists in the Asia Pacific. The position statement aims to review the existing evidence and highlight key areas of interest for obesity and gastrointestinal diseases in the Asia Pacific, as well as focus research efforts in a coordinated manner. Now, obesity, as you know, is a growing problem in Asia, with increasing rates approaching that of the West. And the complications of obesity go beyond the traditional cardiometabolic such as insulin resistance, diabetes mellitus, hypertension, coronary artery disease, but also to that of the GI tract, such as NASH-NAFLD, pancreatic, stomach, and colorectal cancer, as well as Barrett's esophagus. With an increase in the predicted global cancer cases, as well as a projected increase in obesity, the question would be whether an association exists between the two and how this will impact the global health. Furthermore, a GI solution to the obesity problem may exist, as a recent science study showed the impact of gut microbiota on the adiposity of mice. This is an introduction to the Delphi method of consensus. A statement or issue is provided and sent for voting by an expert panel which gives anonymous feedback in the initial round. The feedback is then collated with a reformulation of the statement to accommodate the points or expert opinion given. This reformulated statement is then subsequently sent out for further voting and review. And this is reformulated again, and the statements go through a multiple series of iterations until it is eventually synthesized and voting and agreement is performed. The principles of consensus would be to first define the statement and subsequently vote on the underlying evidence, which is the grade of evidence, as well as on the statement, which is the level of agreement. Even if the statement is scant, there may be a case for a recommendation from an expert consensus. The grading of evidence as well as the 5-point Likert scale is shown here, and this will be used for this round of consensus voting. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to your expert opinion.